What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy, Rossy. You guys know I love anything wood fired. And this La Pieza wood fired oven that my friend has for his pizza business, I thought was just too cool. I asked him if I could kind of jump into his food truck and film some of the pizza's cooking, and he was super down. So, check it out. Look at this wood fired pizza oven. Isn't it cool? Look at that right in there. So we've got it running at 500 degrees right now. You can use like a thermometer, infrared one, to check the temperature of the oven and the stones. The stones are around 400. The oven is at about 500, 550. We're trying to balance it between 500 and 600 degrees because that's what makes that magic that's happening right in front of your eyes happen. When you see that, those little puffed up air pockets forming. Oh, buddy, talk about delicious. Now you can see all the pizza technique my buddy Brad is throwing down right in his pizza oven. Everything from lifting up the pizza towards the flame, using that little spatula as a heat shield and a heat deflector. He's got all the tips and tricks down. And as you can see here, this pizza with that garlic butter crust, holy cow, doesn't it look delectable? But it doesn't stop there, guys. You don't have to only cook pizzas in this oven. You can also do nachos, and man, oh man, are they diabolically delicious. But then there are things like steaks or just anything that you can cook in a cast iron pan. You can throw a cast iron pan directly into this oven. And man, oh man, does it unlock some cool possibilities. Searing off your steak in a cast iron that's almost around 500 or 600 degrees will really build an unbelievable crust on there. But man, oh man, watching my buddy operate with these pizzas was pretty cool to see. I mean, it's all about technique. You can see here, he's going to start rotating this, making sure the part that was near the fire gets moved away. The part that was away from the fire gets moved near. It's all about rotations and continued rotations. I mean, you're not just stopping after the first turn. Like barbecue, you have to pay full attention to every detail here and just make sure that, everything is getting cooked properly. I always say this on my channel, but when you're wood fire cooking, patience is key. Along with that technique, it's super important. Just understanding that wood fire, understanding how that heat is going to distribute inside that oven makes everything just different. I don't really know how to word it. It's all about just understanding the thermal dynamics of your oven, which I think is one of the reasons why I love this stuff so much, man. You guys know me, I'm a big old nerd. I'm a computer scientist at heart. I love video games, things like Warhammer, and just thermodynamics slot right in there perfectly, right? I'm just a big old geek at the end of the day, right? Anyway, that's what it's all about. That live fire cooking, it has me enthralled. I can't get enough. Oh man. But as you can see here, this is some cool technique, and I just had a good time hanging out with my buddy, just making some pizzas. I got to learn more about live fire cooking for pizza, nachos. Like I said, you can throw a cast iron in there. There was just so many cool techniques I got to explore. Anyway, guys, I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for watching as always. Make sure you take care, stay safe, like and subscribe, and I'm sure we'll see each other again soon. Chat again.